In this video, I'll be covering question 5, part A from the 2023 AP Calculus AB free response, no calculator allowed portion of the exam. I cover parts A, B, C, and D all in their own individual videos, so if you'd like to see those other solutions, please check out my other videos. Okay, so this problem starts us off with a table of values up above. I'm sure we'll use it at some point, but we just kind of want to note that it's there. Then as we look at part A says let h be this function here. H of x is equal to f of g of x. And they want us to find the specific derivative of h at x equals 7. Well, this setup here, this is the classic of all classic chain rule setups. You have a function inside another function. My recipe, my saying that I use for the chain rule goes d in times d out. The derivative of whatever is inside that original function times the derivative of whatever is on the outside. So when we come to put together our derivative for h prime of x, I would start off the derivative of the inside. This is just a notation game. The derivative of g would be g prime of x. We'll multiply that by the derivative of the outside. Again, really just a notation game. The derivative of f would be f prime, and then you leave alone the piece you already took the derivative of. So there's our derivative, and once we have that, now they just want specifically what's happening at h prime of 7. So h prime of 7 would equal g prime of 7. We're just going to, everywhere I see an x inside here, I'm just going to replace that x with a 7. And then times f prime of g of 7. Working our way now, this is where the table comes in. So we've got h prime of 7 would equal g prime of 7, so 7 is right here, g prime is right there, so g prime of 7 would be 8. So we get 8 times, and then you work your way from the inside out. This will be 2 steps. So we get f prime and then g of 7. Again, there's 7. The g piece would be right here, so that would be 0. And then you just work it one last time for that f prime of 0 piece. So h prime of 7 would equal 8 times, and then f prime of 0, so 0 is right there, f prime is right there, so then our value of that would be 3 over 2. From here, you would go ahead and just multiply this together, however you do it best. This would be top times the top, so 24 over 2, which we could simplify down to just equaling 12. For our final answer. So this would have been 2 points on the exam. You would have gotten 1 point for getting to this piece right here, and then you would have gotten 1 point for getting all the way down to that final answer. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe, and also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.